Statistics, the mean for group data is calculated by, we have three methods. First one is the direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. In direct method, mean that x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. The assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. The step deviation method is x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Mode for group data can be found by using the formula mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. To calculate the mode, we can use this formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. The median for group data is formed by using the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. To find the median, we use this formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Exercise 14.1, question number 1. A survey was conducted by a group of students was a part of their environment awareness program in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean mean number of the plants per house. Here even is given that data number of plants is divided into groups, that 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8 and 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 13, 14. The number of houses are there from planted 0 and 2. 0 to 2 is 1, and that number of plants are there. 2 to 4 is 2 houses, and 4 to 6 is 1 house, 6 to 8 is 5 houses, and 8 to 10 is 6 houses, 10 to 12 is 2 houses, 12 to 14 plants are there in 3 houses. Now, which method did you use for finding the mean, and why do you use for finding the mean? Because it is a very small data, we can use the direct formula. It's better to calculate this question. The class is 0 to 2 and 2 to 4, 4 to 6, like and 6 to 8. So the midpoint of 0 and 2, the number of plants 0 to 2, that means midpoint of 0 to 2 is lower limit plus upper limit by 2, that equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. And the second one is 2 plus 4 lower limit plus upper limit by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. And the third one is 4 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. And the fourth one is 6 plus 2, 6 plus 8 by 2 is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. These are the midpoints of the class, the group 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we are calculating this in the table, and 1, 3, 5, 7, these are called mid values, though, that is we say x values, and xi, the frequency number of houses, this is frequency fi equal to 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, and changes the table into vertically. Number of plants 0 to 2 22446. I changed the data into vertically, and the number of plants like this, and the number of houses are, that is the frequency fi 1 2 2 1 5 6 2 3, and the total number of houses is 20, and the midpoint is xi. We will get the midpoint of this class, this group 0 to upper limit, lower limit is 0 and 2, that equal to 1, and 3 5 7 9 11 13. So fi xi, the frequency into the midpoint, multiply with 1 and 1, we will get 1. 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 7 is 35, 6 into 9 is 54, 2 into 11 22, 3 into 13 equal to 39. The fi xi multiplied with both these two, and sum of all these fi xi values is equal to 162. 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 35 plus 54 plus 22 plus 39 equal to 162. The total number of frequency, that means total number of houses, is 20. We are dividing this value with 20, we will get average for one house. The frequency is 20, that is sigma fi equal to 20, and fi xi, sigma fi xi is 162, therefore sigma fi into xi equal to 162. Then the mean formula is x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That means is equal to x bar is equal to 162 by 20. Now this equal to 2 8s are 2 1s are, so by 10, therefore that equal to 8.1, x bar equal to 8.1. Therefore the mean of the data is 8.1. That means each house has 8 plants. That equal to 8.1. Therefore the mean number of plants for house is 8.1. This is the direct method we used for, because the values are very less and x and f are small, so we can use only direct method. Question number 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees 100 to 120 rupees gained. Workers are there 12 members, number of workers 12, and 120 above 140 below daily get this number rupees is 14 members, and 140 to 160 rupees 8 members are there. 160 to 180 wages, daily wages members are there 6, and 180 to 200 and there are 10 members are there. So this is the data given. Find the mean daily wages for the workers factor by using appropriate method. And here the 50 members are there, and it is a very big amount, 100 to 120, and so we can use assumed mean method. It is better to use that assumed mean method. We can also use the direct method, but it is a the frequencies and the mid values are big, so we can use that assumed mean method. Assumed means assumed mean is take assumed mean, that is a equal to and which is better to take the value of a. That means a is equal to, we can take for that least wage rupees is 100, and highest is in this 200 are there. Highest is 200, least is just 100. Add these two and find the average of these two. least 100 rupees, highest 200 rupees. So least and highest 200 plus 100 by 2, that equal to 300 by 2. And this is better to take the assumed mean. This is 150. We cancel this, we will get 150. A equal to assumed mean, take A equal to 150, A equal to 150, 150, yes, 150. The class height is 100, 100 to 120, 100, 100 and 120, and 120 to 140. The class height is here 100, 120. The difference is just 20 is there, and here also 20 is there. So this is called class height. 120, 140, 140, 160. There is a class height is 20. 160 and 180 is also there is a difference. 160 and 180 is 20. 180, 200 is also the difference is 20. So the class height, we can take that h. This is called h. The class height, take that equal to h. H is equal to 20. Now all the values take in its table vertically. Daily wages are 100, 120, and the number of workers is the 12, and daily wages from 120 to 140 rupees, who gained 14 members are there. At 140 to 160, 8 members. 160, 186, 180, 200 is 4 members. And the mid value, the xi, we know that this is the number of workers is called the frequency, that is fi. And what is xi? Xi means it's a mid value of this class. 100 plus 120, 220. 100 plus 120, 220. 220 off of 220 is 110. Off of 220 is 110. That means 100 plus 120 by 2, that equal to 220 by 2 is equal to 110. You should write here 110. So that is xi. Xi equal to 110, and 120, 140 is the midpoint. 120, 140, the mid value is 130. 130. 120 and 140 is 260 by 2 is 130. 140, 160 is 300. Off of this 300 is 150. Also we can observe that 140, 160, what is the middle number? 150. 160 and 180 is 170. 180, 200, in between number is 190. So this is between number xi. Multiply with this, and again this is assumed method. We should subtract the value of assumed mean is 150 from this middle number. That means here is 110 is there, and we should subtract this 110 from 150 is there. Xi equal to 110 minus 150. We should subtract the value of assumed value. So 110 minus 150 is minus 40, and here is 110 minus 130 is, sorry, 130 minus 150 is, 130 minus 150 is, we will get minus 20. So 130 minus 150 is minus 20. Here 150 is there. 150 minus 150 is equal to 0. And here is 170 minus 150. 170 minus 150 equal to 20. And here is 190. 190 minus 150, that equal to 40. So we should subtract this xi from assumed value should subtract from this 110, this xi. D equal to di is equal to xi minus 150. So what is xi? 110 minus 150. 130 minus 150, 150 minus 150, 170 minus 150, 190 minus 150. After over these values d, and we should divide these values with height of the class. But we know that height of the class is h is equal to this is the height of the class, h is equal to 20. The difference between 120 and 100 is 20. So we should divide this d value with height of the class, that is 20. 140 by 40 by 20, 0 cancelled, 2 2s are 4, so minus 2. And again here also divide with 20, 20 20 cancel, minus 1. Here divide with 20 equal to 0. Here divide with 20 equal to 1. Here divide with 20, 2 times of 20 is 40, is 2. Okay, this is called ui. Ui is equal to di by 20. Di means this is the value of di. This is di, and we should divide with the class height of the class, that is 20. Here is also this difference is 20. Here is also 20. Here is also different 20. Here is also same 20. So height of the class is 20. Divide with the SD, we will get these values. Now this FIUI, what is the F? This is 12, and we should multiply with this last value. 12 into minus 2 is equal to 24, minus 24. 14 into minus 1 is equal to minus 14. 8 into 0 is equal to 0. And 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. And this is the number of total workers is 50. The sum of all these 12, 14, 8, 6, 10 is equal to 50. And the sum of this FIUI is equal to, add this, minus 24 minus 14 is minus 38, and 6 and 20 is 26. Minus 38 plus 26, minus 38 plus 26. So we will get the minus values bigger one. So 38 minus 26 equal 12. So minus is big. So answer is minus 12. The sum of FIUI is equal to minus 12. From the table we can write sigma Fi is 50. The total number of workers is 50. And the last value sigma FIUI multiplied with frequency and UI, we got minus 12. Then the mean, to find the mean, x bar is equal to assumed method, that is a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h, that equal to a is equal to, we know that assumed mean, that is 150, plus sigma Fi ui is minus 12, and by sigma Fi is 50, and h is 20. Here 0 0 cancelled, is equal to 150 minus 20, 12 into 2, 24 by 5 is equal to 5 4s are 20, and 5 8s are 40, 4.8. Therefore 150 minus 4.8 is equal to 150 minus 4.8, 150 no 145.2, 145. So this is mean of each worker will get rupees 145.20. That means 20 paisa, 145.25. This is the mean. Now, question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of the children of locality. The main pocket allowance is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency of S. The daily pocket allowance is in rupees. 11 to 13 rupees children, number of children that children are there 7, and 13 to 15 rupees children or 6 members. 15 to 17 is 9, 17 to 19 is 13, 19 21 f we don't know. This is the missing frequency. We should find how many members are there, children are there in 19 to 21 rupees. And 21 to 23 is 5, 23 to 25 is 4. Daily pocket allowance in rupees 11, 13. Now we take this into vertically. 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19, 19, 20, 21, 21, 23, 23, 25. Then the number of children is F1. Frequency is F1. Between 11 and 13 is 7. Between 13 and 15 is 6. And like 9, 13. But here is missing frequency is there. 19 to 21 rupees allowance or daily pocket is F. We have to find this. And 5 and 4. And the total number of children is sigma Fi is equal to, and we should add these all numbers, 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 and 5 plus 4 44, and again F is there plus F. This is the number of children is 44 plus F. And a class mark, that is the mid value of that class group 11 13. We know that 11 and 13 is 24, and half of this 24 is 12. 13 15 is 38, 28, so half of this is 14. 15 17 is 32, half of this 16. 17 19 is 36, half of this is 18. 21 19 21 is 40, half of 40 is 20. 21 23 is 44, half of 44 is 22. 23 and 25 is 48, half of 48 is 24. Now di is equal to xi minus 18, because it's a lengthy number. We should take the assumed mean. It's the method we should use here, assumed mean. Assumed a mean is equal to what we should take for this a. A equal to the least value is 11 and the biggest value is 25. 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25 is equal to 36. So 36 by 2 is equal to 18. 36 by 2 is equal to 18. We should take the assumed mean is 18. So assumed mean is 18. Now subtract this d equal to xi minus 18. What is xi? Is 12 minus 18 is 6. 14 minus 18 is minus 4. 16 minus 18 is minus 2. 18 minus 18 is 0. 20 minus 18 is 2. 22 minus 18 is 4. 24 minus 18 is 6. Now we have to find that Fi di. What is Fi is equal to 7. What is di? We should multiply this Fi and di. Fi is 7, di is minus 6. 7 6 are 42, minus is there, minus 42. 6 4 are 24, minus is there, minus 24. 9 2 are 18, minus is there, minus 18. 13 into 0 is 0. F into 2, 2f. And 5 into 4 is 20. 4 into 6 is 24. Now, sum of all these fi is equal to 44 plus f, and sum of all these numbers minus 44, minus 24, minus 18 and 20, 24 is, and 2f is there. So 2f minus 40. The minus value calculate that 18 and 42 is 60 and 24 84 minus 84 and 20 24 is plus 44. Minus 84 plus 44 is equal to minus 40. So 2f minus 40. Then sigma fi is equal to 44 plus f, and sigma fi di is equal to sigma fi di is equal to 2f minus 40. 2f minus 40. Sigma fi ui is equal to, or di is equal to 2f minus 40. Sigma fi di is equal to 2f minus 40. And the formula to find that mean step deviation method, assumed mean, is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here is a equal to assumed mean, we took that a equal to 18, a equal to 18, and plus sigma fi di is 2f minus 40 by sigma fi is 44 plus f. So this is given, that equal to 18 is given. The already mean given in the question. The pocket allowance, mean pocket allowance is given rupees 18. So we can write here x bar equal to 18. Now take this 18 left side, 18 minus 18 is equal to 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. So 18 minus 18 is 0. So 0 is equal to 2f minus 40 by 44 minus 44 plus f. Taking this into right side, left side, as 0 into 44, that equal to 0. Also we can write is equal to 2f minus 40. Then 2f is equal to 40. So f is equal to, that equal to f is equal to 40 by 2. This equal to 2 to the 4. So f equal to 20. The missing number is 20. Question number 4. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor, and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat for per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method. Now number of heartbeats per minute is 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74, 77, 77, 80, 80, 83, 83, 86. The class height is 3 is here, 3 everywhere, 3 is there. Number of women are in this class 3, 2, here 4, in this 3, in this heartbeat rate per minute is 8 and 7, 4, 2. Now suitable method, and we should draw draw a table from using this data. Number of heartbeats per minute is 65 to 68. Number of women are there, Fi, that is 2. Xi is the midpoint of these 65 and 68 is 66.5, and D is equal to Xi minus 75.5, because assumed mean is we should take 65 plus 86. Half of this equal to 151 of is there 75.5. So this is the assumed mean 75.5. Now U is equal to D by H. H is the class height is 3, and Fi Ui we should multiply F and this U and F we should write here. So now here is 2 and the midpoint is 66.5, and the mean assumed mean is 75.5. 66.5 minus 75.5 is minus 9. 66.5 minus 75.5 is minus 6. 72.5 minus 75.5 is minus 3. 75.5 minus 75.5 is 0. 78.5 minus 75.5 is 3. 81.5 minus 75.5 is 6. 84.5 also 81.5 minus 75.5 is 6. 84.5 minus 75.5 is 9. Okay, now divide this D by 3, that equal to Ui. Ui is equal to Di by 3. You should divide this 9 with 3 by 3. We will get minus 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 0 by 3 is 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 is 2. 6 by 3 is 2. 9 by 3 is 3. So multiply this minus 3 and 2 minus 6, minus 2 and 4 minus 8. Here is minus is there, this minus means minus 6 minus 8, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 8 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7, and 4 into 2 8, 2 into 3 is 6, and that equal to now look at here, observe this. Minus 6 plus 6 cancelled. 8 plus 8 and 8 cancelled. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. The sum of Fi Ui is equal to 4. This is sum of Fi. Sigma of sum of Fi is equal to 30. Now use the formula and substitute these values. Here H is equal to 3 is there, and assumed mean is A is equal to 75.5. Okay, Fi Ui is 4, sigma Fi equal to 30. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. Sigma Fi Ui is equal to 4. The formula of step deviation method to find the mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Substitute the values in this equation where a equal to, we know that 75.5 plus sigma fi ui is a 4 by sigma fi is 30 and h is equal to 3. So 3 tens are cancelled, this is cancelled. Now this equal to 75.5 plus 4 by 10 is 0.4. 4 by 10 is 0.4. Therefore this equal to 75.5 plus 4, that is 75.9. The mean is 75.9.